ICSE Mathematics Class 10th, Chapter 19, Exercise Self-Evaluation and Revision. Question number 31. The marks obtained by 100 students in mathematics test are given below. The marks are 0 to 10, 3, 20 to 30, 7 students, 30 to 40, 12 students, 40 to 50, 17 students, 50 to 60, 23 students, 60 to 70, 14 students, 70 to 80, 9 students, 80 to 90, 5 students, 90 to 100, 4 students. You see here. फर्स्ट तो हम पहले क्या करेंगे, इसमें पहले कम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी निकालेंगे. 3 एज इट इज, 3 + 6 9, 9 + 7 16, 16 + 12 28, 28 + 17 45, 45 + 23 68, 68 + 14 82, 82 + 9 91, 91 + 5 96, 96 + 4 100. So n by 2, that will be 50. So n by 4 will be equal to 25. Median will be equal to 50 + 50 - 45. देखिए मीडियन क्लास कहाँ पर है, यहाँ पर. सो n by 2 माइनस प्रीसीडिंग क्लास फ्रीक्वेंसी, क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी. So here it is 50 50 minus, so 50 will come here. 50 minus 45 whole divided by 23, the valency of the median class, into 10 whole divided by 23, it will be equal to, ultimately after solving, 52.17. And quartile 1 means n by 4, that is 25. 25 lies here. So the exact lower limit will be the 30. 25 - 16 means preceding class cumulative frequency upon frequency of the quartile 1. So that is 16, that is 12. So 25 - 16 divided by 12 into 10 means class interval. After solving, we will get 37.5. Let us do the same question with the help of the graph also. First of all, we will plot the point 10 3. See, 10 3 29 means upper limit. You see, upper limit, there is 10 and 3, 29 30 16, 40 28, 50 45, 60 68, 70 82, 80 91, 90 96, 100 100. Here I have taken the scale. 2 cm is equal to 10 unit along x-axis, 2 cm is equal to 10 unit along y-axis. So first of all, you see the median. How to estimate the median? n by 2, that is 50. 50 from this point, draw a line parallel to the x-axis. The intersecting point of ogive curve, drop a perpendicular. So we will get median will be equal to 52. Similarly, for first quartile, that is n by 4, that is 25. 25 lies in between the 20 to 30. You see here it is 25. From this point, we draw a parallel line to the x-axis which intersect the ogive curve at this point. From there, we drop a perpendicular on x-axis, that is the foot of the perpendicular will be 37.5. 37.5. No, sorry, it is, then this will be the 35. This will be the first quartile, that will be 35. Now the second question is, number of the student who obtained more than 85% marks. More than 85% marks. You see here, 85% marks. From here we draw a line parallel to y-axis that intersect the ogive curve at this point. From here again you draw a line parallel to x-axis, that will be the 92 on y-axis. So 92 means 100 minus 92, that will be the 8 students who have scored more than 85% marks. Who have scored more than 85% marks. Now the next question is number of the students who did not pass in the test if the pass percentage is 35. Now 35 is the pass percentage. We have to find out the student who failed. So from this point, means first of all we have to locate the 35 on the x-axis. From here we draw a line parallel to y-axis which intersect the ogive curve, and from there, that means point of intersection. From there we draw a line parallel to the x-axis which intersect y-axis at 20. So the number of the student from 0 to 20 means 20 students failed in, that is the 20 is the answer of the failed student. In this way the question number 31 is completed. Graphically as well as mathematically we have done the calculation. Now come to the question number 32. Marks obtained by 30 students in the class assessment of 5 marks is given below. You see the marks are given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number of students who scored 0 marks, that is 1. Who scored 1 marks, that is 3 students. 6 students are who scored 2 marks. 3 marks obtained by 10 students. 4 marks obtained by 5 students. 5 marks obtained by 5 students. So the total number of the students is 30. That is the value of n. So n by 2, that is 15. That is 30 divided by 2, that is 15. N plus 1 by 2, that is 30 plus 1 by 2, that is 15.5. So 15.5 lies in this class. So median will be 3. You see this, just I have put the arrow mark. So 15.5 lies in this cumulative frequency. So the median is 3. Mean sigma fx. Sigma fx means you have to sum up all these. So 90 divided by 30, the 30 is the total number of frequencies. So 90 divided by 30, that is 3. So median is 3, mean is 3. The maximum frequency is 10. Maximum frequency is 10, therefore the mode is also 3. Hence mean, mode and median all are 3. Now come to the question number 33. Calculate the mean of the following distribution. We have to calculate the mean. Here you see 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Class mark is 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. Frequencies are 8, 5, 12, 35, 24, 16. So the sum of the frequency is 100. We have to take the deviation. So D, here assumed mean, I have taken the 30. I have taken assumed mean as 30. So 5 minus 30, that is minus 25. 15 minus 30, that is minus 15. 25 minus 30, that is minus 5. 35 minus 30, that is 5. 45 minus 30, that is 15. 55 minus 30, that is 25. So we have got the deviation. This is the deviation row. Now T, that is deviation divided by class interval. So 25 divided by 10, that is minus 2.5. 15 divided by 10, that is minus 1.5. 5 divided by 10, minus 5 divided by 10, that is minus 0.5. 5 divided by 10, that is 0.5. 15 divided by 10, that is 1.5. 25 divided by 10, that is 2.5. FT means we have to find out the product, means F and T. F and T. So 8 into 2.5, that is minus 20. 5 into minus 1.5, that is minus 7.5. 12 into minus 0.5, that is 6. 35 into 0.5, that is 17.5. 24 into 1.5, that is 36. 16 into 2.5, that is 40. Now after summing up, so minus will be minus 33.5 plus 93.5. After solving it, you will get 60 plus. So the mean will be equal to assumed mean, that is 30 plus 60 divided by 100 into 10, that will be the 30 plus 600 divided by 100, that will be equal to 30 plus 6, that is 36. Here we have got the value of mean, that is equal to 36, and this will be the answer of question number 33. Now proceed to the question number 34. You see, the weight of 50 workers is given below. The weight in kg and number of the workers, you see, the 50 to 60, 4 workers, 60 to 70, 7 workers, 70 to 80, 11 workers, 80 to 90, 14 workers, 90 to 100, 6 workers, 100 to 110, 5 workers, 110 to 120, 3 workers. Now, as per the calculation, draw an ogive of the given distribution using the graph sheet, taking 2 cm is equal to 10 kg on one axis and 2 cm is equal to 5 workers, 2 cm is equal to 5 workers on along the other axis. Use the graph to estimate the following: the upper and lower quartiles, and second, the if weighing 95 kg and the above is considered overweight, find the number of the workers who are overweight. So as per the given data, we have prepared the table. Now the cumulative frequency, 4 as it is, 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 11, that is 22, 22 plus 14, that is 36, 36 plus 6, that is 42. 42 plus 5, that is 47, 47 plus 3, that is 50. So n by 2, that is 50 divided by 2, it will be equal to 25. 50 into 3 by 4, that is 37.5, n by 4, that is 12.5. In this way we can find out the quartile, first quartile and third quartiles, as well as the second quartile, that is median. Second quartile is known as median. Now the scale which I have taken here, 2 cm is equal to 10 kg. On x-axis, 2 cm is equal to 5 workers. On y-axis. Now after that, you just plot the point: 60, 4, 70, 11, 80, 22, 90, 36, 100, 42, 110, 47, 120, 50. So you see the first quartile, that is 12.5, lies in between 10 and 15. From here we draw a line parallel to the x-axis which intersects the ogive curve, and from this intersecting point drop a perpendicular, that will be, we will get 71.5 kg, that is first quartile. Second quartile, you see 37.5, that is 3n by 4. 3n by 4. From here you draw a line parallel to x-axis. From here again you drop a perpendicular to x-axis. There we will get 92.5, that is the third quartile. This will be the third quartile. First quartile will be the 71.5 kg. Third quartile will be 92.5 kg. Now the next part of the question is, if the weighing 95 kg and above is considered overweight, find the number of the workers who are overweight. So you see, first of all we have to locate the 95. From here you see that is 90 and 100. In between that there is a 95. From here you draw a line parallel to y-axis, and again from the intersecting point of the ogive, from there you just draw a line parallel to x-axis which intersect y-axis at the point 39. So the difference of 50 minus 39, that is the 11 workers are overweight. You see, I have done it here, the complete calculation is here. So we got 39 here. So 50 minus 39, that will be 11 workers overweight. And this will be the answer. Now come to the question number 35. The mean of the following numbers is 68. Find the value of x. 45, 52, 60, x, 69, 70, 26, 81 and 94. Hence estimate the median also. You see, 45, 52, 60, x, 69, 70, 26, 81, 94. So x bar will be equal to, that is given already, that is 68 is the mean. So 497, sum up of all this. We have to add it, all this. You will get 497 plus x whole divided by 9, because the 9 numbers are there. So 497 plus x whole divided by 9, it will be equal to 497 plus x, and that will be multiplied. You see, the 68 will be multiplied by 9. You will get 612. Now transpose 497 to the right hand side. You will get 612 minus 497. There you will get 115. So the value of x, now we have to arrange all these numbers in ascending orders. You see, 26, 45, 52, 60, 69, 70, 81, 94, 115. So n is 9. So n plus 1, that is 10. 10 divided by 2, that is the fifth. So the fifth item is the median. So from here you just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, that is 69. 69 is the median, and this will be the answer of this question. Now come to the question number 36. The table shows the distribution of the scores obtained by 160 shooters in shooting competitions. Use a graph sheet and draw an ogive for the distribution. Take 2 cm is equal to 10 scores on the x-axis and 2 cm is equal to 20 shooters on the y-axis. The scores are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100. And respectively the frequencies are 9, 13, 20, 26, 30, 22, 15, 10, 8, 7. Here, as per the calculation, as per the questions, use your graph to estimate the following. The first, the median, the interquartile range, and third point, the number of the shooters who obtained a score more than 85%. Now you see with the table, here first of all we have first 2 rows, this information is already given in the book. Now coming cumulative frequency, we have to prepare. Once we have prepared the cumulative frequency, find out the n by 2, that is 80. Means 160 divided by 2, that is 80. N by 4 divided by 160 divided by 4, that will be 40. 3n by 4, that will be equal to 3 by 4 into 160, it will be equal to 120. So as per the calculation, the median will be equal to 40 plus 80 minus 68. 80 minus 68 whole divided by 30 into 10. So solve it, you will get 44. First quartile, that is 20 plus 40 minus 22 whole divided by 20 into 10, it will be equal to 29. Third quartile, that is 50 plus 120 minus 98 whole divided by 22 into 10, that will be equal to 50 plus 22 divided by 22 into 10, it will be equal to 60. Interquartile range, that is 60 minus 29, that is 31. Now let us do the same question with the help of graph. Scale, you see, 2 centimeter is equal to 10 scores on the x-axis, 2 centimeter is equal to 20 shooters on y-axis. So first of all, we have to plot the point. You see, 10, 9, 20, 22, 30, 42, 40, 68, 50, 98, 60, 120, 70, 135, 80, 145, 90, 153, 100, 160. So now we have to join all these points with the freehand curves. So this will be the required ogive. Now find out first of all, you see the mean, that is 80. From this point you draw a line parallel to x-axis. From there, from the point of intersection you drop a perpendicular, it will be equal to 44. Similarly for first quartile, that is n by 4, locate it on y-axis, that is 29. From here you draw a line parallel to x-axis. From the point of intersection, drop a perpendicular on the x-axis, and that will be equal to 29. First quartile, that will be the 29. Similarly for third quartile, that is 3n by 4, that is 120. It will be on this point. From there you just draw a line parallel to x-axis which intersect ogive curve at this point. From there again you drop a perpendicular to the x-axis and you will get third quartiles, that is 60. So the interquartile range will be 60 minus 29, that will be equal to 31. Now, the number of shooters who obtained the scores more than 85% from this point. So 85, first of all we have to locate the point 85%. So from this point you draw a line parallel to y-axis which intersect the ogive curve at this point. From there again we have to draw a line parallel to x-axis which intersect the y-axis at the point, that is 150. So 160 minus 150, that will be the 10 numbers of the shooters scored more than 85% marks. This will be the answer of the question number 36. Now come with the question number 37. You see, the histogram below represents the scores obtained by 25 students in a mathematics mental test. Use the data to frame the frequency distribution table to calculate the mean. Third, to determine the model class. Marks, you see here, 0 to 10, the number of the student 2, class mark is 5, product of the frequency and class mark, that will be fx, it will be here 10. Similarly for the second class 10 to 20, because we have collected these data from the given histogram. Histogram is already given in the book. So with the help of that histogram I have prepared this table. So sigma fx we have to calculate, that is 695. So the mean will be equal to 695 divided by 25, it will be equal to 27.8 mean. The model class, the maximum frequency is 8. Maximum frequency is 8. Therefore, the model class will be 20 to 30. Hence, this question is also completed here.